Hello everyone, this is Simram and I love to cook. Today I'm going to make a potato soup. It's a soup version of a stew made in India. It's absolutely delicious and easy to make. Do hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of all new videos being posted. In a pot we put the potatoes, the ginger, the chilies. It's up to you to add the chilies, or you can just leave it without the chilies because the ginger also brings in a heat. And then we add water to submerge the vegetables. Yeah, this is good enough. Add salt as required to taste. Give it a mix and let it boil and cook for about 15 minutes. Now it's 15 minutes and let's check the texture of the potato. You see it's hard but it's cooked. At this point we add the coconut milk. We give it a good stir. We add in the curry leaves. We just get it to a boil and the soup is ready. Finally, we just add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and the soup is done. It's rich, creamy, very tasty. It doesn't be heavy on your stomach. It's a very nice soup to have during the summers or for supper. So now that you have the boil coming, we add the coconut oil, give it a mix, and the soup is ready